Today, we are taking a trip down memory lane when I was a fresh baby 21-year-old. At that point in my life, I hadn't gone to cosmetology school, didn't know anything about the chemistry behind hair. I was just recommended to buy a product from a friend in the modeling industry. And 15 million of you know how that turned out. Listen, I don't have regrets, but I was publicly embarrassed for the majority of my adult life because of that. Yeah. So today, we are going to be recreating that moment, right? Right. You're gonna hear a little lore about me, and you're gonna see some science. Let's do it. This wig is going to be acting as myself when I was 21. Now, my natural hair is pretty curly, but it is this darker brown. Prior to my hair falling out, my hair was actually platinum blonde. So let's do some bleaching. Now, volume 20 is usually what people use because it's a lot less damaging on the hair. But because my hair is on the darker side of brown, and I truly want to show how damaged my hair was, we're using volume 30. Just so y'all know, I don't actually know if this human hair was naturally brown or not. I don't know how blonde I'll be able to get this wig, but what's most important is that it has bleach on it. The bleach is what matters for the storyline, okay? Keep up. Hair bleach works by using chemicals to remove the pigment that gives hair its color. The alkaline agent in hair bleach opens the hair cuticle, while the oxidizing agent breaks down the melanin molecules. The longer bleach is left on hair, the more pigment is removed and the lighter the hair becomes. However, bleaching 100% damages the hair's structure. It reduces the moisture levels and raises the cuticle. And once this happens, there is no going back, which means all bleached hair is damaged hair, which is something I did not understand when I was 21 years old. I wasn't bleaching my hair at home, but I was bleaching my hair at salons, so I thought my hair was healthy. But I was terribly wrong. Bleaching doesn't just create brittle, cuticle opened hair. Overall weakens the hair to the point that when you brush it, you're always gonna have breakage, which you can see right here. But the darker the hair, the longer the bleach has to sit. Unfortunately, I was not able to lift the wig to as blonde as my hair was, but you get the gist. As you can see, the bleach really did something here. My hair, after it was bleached, was this poofy. It was this raggedy looking, especially when I brushed it out. But you wanna know what else I was doing with my hair when I was 21? I was straightening my hair every day without a heat protectant. I didn't know. I didn't know. I had no idea how much products like helped your hair. I had no idea. So let's get this wig to how I wore my hair daily. Heat on hair can alter the structure of hair's keratin proteins, which can lead to weaker and less elastic hair. It can also make your hair dry, it can give you split ends, and heat damaged hair is more prone to knots and tangles, which then leads to even more breakage and thinning hair. Although back in the day, I basically only washed my hair once a week, I was still putting a straightener on my hair at least a little bit every single day. I was really doing nothing to help my hair, and I didn't even know it. And here we have it, the illusion of a closed cuticle. To the uneducated person, this might seem kind of healthy. I don't know, just throwing that out there. Now that we're all caught up with where my hair was at during this period of my life, now I'll tell you what I did 15 minutes before it fell out. It was a sad day, y'all. Literally life-altering. There, little Hannah was getting ready for a date with the person she was crushing on forever. Her model friend had recommended her buy a chemical straightener so that she wouldn't have to straighten her hair every day. So she decided while getting ready for this date, she would put the chemical in her hair. So let's do it again, and we can all see in real time how damaged hair reacts with a chemical straightener. Y'all, this is bringing me right back. I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared. And there we have it. Alrighty, we're gonna be doing this again in sections, just like how I did it before. Scoop a little bit and apply it. Oof, that's the smell I remember. Chemical hair straighteners work by increasing the hair's pH level to an alkaline state, which raises the cuticle layer and allows the relaxer to reach the cortex, where it breaks the disulfide bonds and reforms them while the hair is being held in a straight position. The relaxing process can cause protein loss, which can make hair more prone to breakage. The best hair types for chemical relaxers are those with naturally curly or coily textures, particularly thick, coarse hair with tight curls. Because chemical relaxers are designed to straighten highly textured hair, always choose a relaxer strength that matches your hair type. And if your hair is already damaged, consult a professional before using a relaxer. Was this product for my hair texture? No. Did I consult a professional before doing it? No. I just listened to a friend. And the chemical straightener is applied. I remember finishing putting it on my hair and I was like, gosh, okay, now I just wait 5 minutes. That's no problem. Except it took me 15 minutes to put it on my hair. So the product was already in my hair for max time, at least the bottom half. Scary. Not good. At this point, my hair looked like this. My hair was already clumping together and starting to look like ramen noodles. So essentially looks the same as if you were to over-process your hair with like bleach. It's already breaking off. Hair is just so damaged already. The cuticles open from the bleach and the hair was already fried from heat damage. And here we have one of the strongest products on the market trying to also get into the hair and pull it straight. Now we have super elastic hair that crumbles and falls apart. Oh my goodness. You know how people have nightmares of their teeth falling out? I literally lived the nightmare of your hair falling out. And it went just like this. Just wait till we put water on it. My hair was absolutely done at this point. I just thought every product on the market would be safe enough, and that was on me. This wig did have a lot less bleaching than me. Look at that damage. She's done for. At the end of the day, I'm blaming beauty standards. Like, oh my god. Back then, my hair falling out was a lot of people's Roman Empire, and I still hear it to this day. But I hope watching this video helps you better understand exactly the science behind what happened and how to make sure it does not happen to you. Accidents like this happen all the time at home and at salons. So all that I ask is that to make sure if you're changing something about yourself, make sure it's something you really want and make sure you're doing the most for your hair already. Because here, we hate beauty standards and we love healthy hair. Or you know, if you don't mind shaving your head, do whatever you want. Y'all, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for young me who cried so hard on the internet. And I will see you next time. Bye!